I'm just using a 12 volt PC fan to transport the air out of the printing chamber. So I think we can do better. This turbine is basically the heart of a respirator, an active respirator unit I took apart. And the good thing about this is it runs on 12 volts. We can do this with it. This has much more purchase. And another bonus of this is this was designed to work with these. These are the Respirator filters, which I want to use. If I use the printer in winter or with closed windows, then I want to have a filter in there. So what we're going to do is we build an enclosure for this one and hook it up to the system. So should be easy, right? So this is the plan. We have the two holes for these things, and on top air is coming out, right? And this is from the side. So here's the air coming out. This is the motor sticking out. The board will be put here on the side, and these are the filters again. And these are the measurements, easy peasy. And you see, I already cut it into shape. I did a little cutting here and there to ease up with the foldings. Now we see where we are going. So that's it, looks good, right? This is probably taped in there. Nice, this is the exhaust. And all sealed up, of course, with tape. And this is just hot glued on there, so it just doesn't fall off. It's working, yes. And it's creating suction. Nice, very nice. This one was already improved by me. This design in the box reminds me a lot of the fume extractors I built for the soldering. See below. It's blowing and sucking. Perfect, now I just have to find a way to plug it into the 3D printer housing, and then we're done. And maybe seal it.